You can now earn certification in business taxonomy and ontology. KMI, the world's leader in KM certification, has partnered with Washington, D.C.-based Enterprise Knowledge to deliver this exciting new certification program. Your instructors are experts in developing world-class business taxonomies. This CKS course is designed to help students deliver the same benefits to their organizations.
Hi, my name is Lulit Tasfaye. I'm a partner at Enterprise Knowledge, and I directly oversee our knowledge data and information management services, specifically our project in taxonomy, ontology, and knowledge graph design. I will be one of your instructors for our business taxonomy ontology training class in partnership with the Knowledge Management Institute.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Vaquero Chakiji. I am a senior taxonomist and knowledge management consultant at Enterprise Knowledge. In this class, you will learn how to communicate the concepts of taxonomy and metadata to your colleagues and leadership, in both business and technical terms, as well as to educate them on the value and potential returns on investment. You will also learn to facilitate internal taxonomy design workshops and manage a taxonomy design project from start to finish, leveraging best practices and proven methodologies to sustain and evolve your taxonomies. At the end of the class, you will have an understanding of ontology design best practices and foundational concepts, as well as the most common applications of ontologies to enable advanced semantic capabilities within your organization.
Hello, I'm Sarah Mae O'Brien Scott. My background is in library and information science, and I'm a semantic engineering consultant with Enterprise Knowledge. Once students have completed this course, they will be empowered to design taxonomies and ontologies for their own organization. They'll have a clear understanding of the business value that can be provided through taxonomy and ontology, as well as technology and tools used within the industry.
Now that you've met your instructors, let's take a brief look at the agenda for both days of class.
On day one, we begin by introducing the concepts of information architecture and taxonomy, their applications, best practices, common pitfalls, risks, and mitigation strategies. Then we describe our iterative approach from taxonomy design to validation, governance, and implementation. Then we conduct deep dive interactive activities to design and validate taxonomies based on real case scenarios. By the end of the day, participants are able to describe the most common taxonomy design and validation methods and tools, as well as have hands-on experience designing and validating a sample taxonomy.
On day two, we will build on top of what we've learned during day one, using real-world examples and applications for taxonomy implementation. We will demonstrate the application of taxonomies using one of the top taxonomy ontology management solutions on the market, showcase the selection of implementation use cases and foundational requirements for implementation, mostly focusing on content cleanup and migration, content auto-tagging practices, and mapping and configuration of a taxonomy within a tool. We will also provide an overview of the top solutions and architectural considerations for tool selection. Then we will close out by demonstrating the business value of ontologies and their applications. We will also do a hands-on exercise with participants to demonstrate and build a starter ontology, how to manage and govern ontologies at scale while leveraging RDF, Resource Description Framework, and semantic web standards. Our goal is to make this training highly interactive and applicable. Hope to see you there.
Your KMI representatives are standing by to answer any questions you may have about this CKS course. Thank you for taking the time to view this introductory video. We look forward to seeing you in class.